Are you looking for a way that could help boost your booking? Adding a live chat to your website is one of the ways to do it, because customers love getting answers right when they need them. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to add a live chat to your Tripcart website, so they can just type a quick message while browsing your tours, and you can respond right away. That small interaction makes your business feel approachable, trustworthy, and ready to help. So, let's get started. The first step is choosing a chat software. Popular options include Tawk.to, Crisp, WhatsApp chat, or Facebook Messenger. They all work in a similar way. You create an account, go through a quick setup, and get a short code that connects your website to their system. For today's tutorial, I'll use Tawk.to as the example. But whichever one you choose, the steps inside Tripcart will be the same. Let's create a Tawk.to account. If you're new, click on Get Started. Set up your login details with your website name, your email, and a password. When asked, choose Live Chat since that's what we're adding. Next, enter a few details about your website, such as your URL and your organization name. The system will fill some of this automatically once you add your URL. Tawk.to also offers the option to customize the chat widget during setup. You can do this now or skip it and adjust later. At the end of the setup, you'll be given a script code. This code contains a unique ID for your account because it's what connects your website with Tawk.to. Copy this code, we'll paste it into the Tripcart custom scripts section in just a moment. Then click Next or skip any remaining step, since we don't need them right now. You'll then land inside the Tawk.to dashboard. Here, you'll get a quick guided tour showing where you can read messages, see notifications, and manage your inbox. Keep this in mind because this is where all your customer messages will come in later. Now log into your Tripcart dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on Apps. From there, open Tools and find Custom Scripts. Make sure the toggle is turned on, then click Configure. On this page, go to the footer box and paste the chat code you copied from Tawk.to. This is the key step. Placing the code in the footer ensures your chat widget connects properly without slowing down your website. Once you've pasted it in, scroll down and click Save. From here on, the chat widget is active and will appear on your site. Now let's test it to make sure it's working. Open your website in a new browser tab. Wait a moment for the page to load, and you should see the chat bubble in the bottom corner of your site. Click on the chat bubble, type a short test message, and send it. Then, go back to your Tawk.to dashboard and open the message from Incoming. You'll see your test message appear instantly, confirming that your website is now fully connected to Tawk.to. Now that live chat is working, let's make it fit your brand. Open the Customize Widget section. From there, click on Advanced and open Widget Appearance. Here, you can move the bubble to the bottom left or right corner, adjust the width and height, and change the colors to match your brand. Don't forget to save after updating. Next, from Widget Content, you can edit the head cards. Now let's edit the welcome message. Keep it short and friendly, but something like, "Got a question? I'm here to help," and update it. There are many more settings inside the chat dashboard, so take a moment to explore and see which options work best for your business. You've now added live chat to your website. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials to learn more ways to build and grow your tour website with Tripcart. If you haven't tried Tripcart yet, you can get started today with a free 30-day trial. No credit card required. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next tutorial.